Let us now understand write function in Microsoft Excel. Write function helps us extract a specified number of characters from the right side of our selected text or string. Let us see it with an example. So here we have our student table showing student name and marks. We will try extracting the last three characters from the student name Alexander using write function. To do so, we will write here is equal to RIGHT write, put a bracket, then select the student name over which we want to apply the write function, put a comma. Now here we have to specify the number of characters that we want to extract from the right side of our selected text. Let me write here 3. Now close the bracket and press enter. This returns us the last three characters from the right side of the name Alexander. Let us try it once more. To do so, we will write here is equal to RIGHT write, put a bracket, select the student name Bobby this time, put a comma. Now specify the number of characters that we want to extract, let's say 4. Close the bracket and press enter. This returns us the last 4 characters from the right side of our student name Bobby. This is how we use write function in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today. Thank you for watching.